And just to reinforce some of what Raul was said, Felix, if you want to pull up this chart on the NASDAQ, I mean, this is including dividends. So this is total return in excess of, our GMI, total liquidity composite. And you can see that it annualizes around 13% in excess of the real rate of debasement. So that's the point, is that 8% is the hidden loss of value from central banks essentially debasing their currencies, which weakens the currency in all financial contexts. And then the visible rise of, let's say prices at the supermarket is, as we know, inflation, right? So you have to kind of bolt that on. That can be 2-3%. But the point is that in real terms, the NASDAQ's making money. In real terms, Bitcoin, if we look back to 2010 or so, is annualizing around 150%. But if we compare it more recently with the NASDAQ, it's around 95%. So that upper white box you can see in the left-hand corner. But then, as Raul said, if you look at the NASDAQ in total return terms versus Bitcoin, again, since January of 2012, when we're based to 100, it's down 99.94%. And so to the point that Raul said, in real terms, nothing, if you look at the red box, these are the annualized numbers since 2011 or so. But essentially, nothing's accumulating purchasing power outside of, let's say, US large cap, NASDAQ, and ETH, but that's in real terms.